When we designed our Singer, we wanted to make sure that we designed for a wide range of application. Besides sanding, padding, and oils and stains, we also wanted to make sure that we can host milling tools for subfloor prep with our Singer. The first milling tool we came out with has ceramic inserts, mainly designed to remove tile adhesive off of concrete or screed. The second tool we upgraded last year is a MCD diamond tool that is mainly designed to sand and even out screed. This year we came out with two more editions of our milling tool. One is Scrabber GREEN and one is Scrabber BLACK. Scrabber GREEN is the more gently used. It can be used to remove tile adhesive, wood floor adhesive, soft adhesive, elastic adhesives. Especially about both tools that can be used on screed and plywood as well. If you want a more aggressive use, you can use Scrabber BLACK. It has additional blades to it and gives you more material removal in a shorter period of time.